Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try to find gravity. Kiss me goodbye. I'm defying gravity, and you won't bring me down. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says there's some things I cannot change. But till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I guess I've lost. Well, if that's love, it comes at much too high a cost. I'd sooner die defying gravity. I'm way up high, I'm defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you won't bring me down. Unlimited, my future is unlimited, and I just had a vision, almost like a prophecy. I know it sounds truly crazy,